Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I am making a very fun, light, healthy fruit salad, mango and feta cheese. It's a great way to use up feta cheese if you've got some on hand in the fridge that you need to use up. And this recipe it pairs well. You can have it for a snack, for breakfast, for lunch. You can have it as a side dish with supper. And it's so easy. It's just a couple of ingredients. And so let's put it together. I have peeled and diced 2 mangoes. So I have a family of 4. If you have a family of, say, 6 or 8 people, you might want to double this recipe. This recipe I make is for my family of 4. So I've got 2 mangoes peeled and diced in a bowl. I have a half a cup of feta cheese crumbles. I actually had a block of feta cheese and I just crumbled it up. And then there's a different cheese here. I think you can kind of see a little bit of difference in the color. I found at Aldi's. I am a cheese person, and so I found at Aldi's. It is a Wensleydale Creamery cheese. It's Mimosa Yorkshire Wensleydale. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's little like pieces of orange citrus. I think it's orange in this cheese, and it is so good. It's light and fruity, and it pairs very well with mango. So I put that in here as well. If you don't have extra cheese, just use your feta. It will taste amazing. And then in a little bowl, I am going to put in about 2 tablespoons of very light olive oil. And I'm not even gonna measure, I'm just eyeballing. Keep this super, super simple. And we're gonna add in a dash of pepper, a sprinkle of salt. Gonna get out some sweet basil. Now I usually have an herb garden going, but it's winter and the only herbs I have inside right now are my mint and my rosemary. So I'm just using dried sweet basil, but if you got some fresh basil, go ahead and chop some of that up, and it will be delicious. But I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle in some sweet basil here. You want probably about a good 1 to 2 teaspoons. And I'm gonna get a little whisk. We're gonna whisk this together. Okay, in my bowl, I'm going to go ahead and put my cheeses in. And then we are going to drizzle the olive oil and sweet basil all around. And then I'm just going to use a spoon here and lightly toss this together. You don't want a ton of the oil dressing for this fruit salad. You want to keep it very light. Just kind of want a hint of those flavors. All right. There we have it. Mango feta salad. Yummy, healthy, and delicious.